Disney's Meet the Robinsons. Keep moving forward. Lewis has built a machine that can read people's memories. He calls it a memory scanner. Lewis made it himself. He's an inventor. When Lewis tries to turn it on at school, it explodes. Lewis is sad and gives up because his inventions never work. Then Wilbur comes to visit him. Wilbur comes to see Lewis in a time machine. The time machine can travel forward and backward in time. Wilbur takes Lewis forward in time to Wilbur's house. Lewis meets Wilbur's dad, Cornelius. Cornelius is an inventor just like Lewis. At Wilbur's house, Cornelius shows Lewis some of the things he has made. Lewis thinks Cornelius's inventions are great. Cornelius shows Lewis the one he is most proud of. It is the memory scanner that Lewis gave up on fixing. Before Lewis goes home, Cornelius tells Lewis 3 words that Lewis will never forget. Keep moving forward. Hearing Cornelius' words cheers Lewis up. Lewis returns home and fixes the memory scanner. Everyone thinks Lewis's inventions is great. There is even a story about him in the newspaper. Lewis knows he is just beginning a lifetime of inventing things. He knows that when his inventions do not work, he should not give up. No matter what, Lewis has to keep moving forward.